Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So just want to make a quick video on sort of a bit more of a detailed analysis of what sort of salaries you can get paid at investment banks and hedge funds. Sort of link a bit back to one of my previous videos which got a lot of requests about what sort of salaries can you actually get. So let's begin with investment banks. So I'm talking about mainly for the sales and trading division department rather than sort of the M&A, but in general front office is relatively similar anyway. So at Bulge-Bracket investment banks, so these include the big investment banks like Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, Bank of America, Merrill Lynch. So sort of the standard entry level role, you can expect to get between 30 to 45,000. This is pretty much including bonus. You might be lucky and get towards the 55 mark if you get a bit of a larger bonus. Depends on the year. But in sales and trading, that's sort of the level you'd be realistically looking to get. Associate or someone who's after done the grad role, which is around 2-3 years later after your um, initial graduate program, you can look to get between 50 to 70. And then obviously as you move up in the ranks, you can look to get higher. But like I said in my last video, it's not prior to 2008 anymore. So like even the MDs are getting 250 to 500,000, which is obviously a lot of money. Don't get me wrong, but compared to what people could get in the trading division back before 2008, it's obviously a lot different. And quickly, just with hedge funds, so the hedge funds, these are the salaries you could get for funds that are over around $4 billion assets under management. So as an analyst, you can look to get between 60 to 80k. It could possibly even go towards 100. It just depends on the year again, and depends on what sort of team you're being part of, whether they had a successful year or not. You might get initially a signing up bonus for 10-15, plus around 30 base, plus another 30 more in bonuses. And if you become a junior PM, you can get about $250,000 sort of pay packet. Again, it depends if you. This is with sort of these are for individuals that have had a sort of a flat to a slightly decent a year, not really a good year. A decent year, I mean a couple of percentage points only. So if you've made, obviously, if your team have made over 10-20% return, then it would be a lot different. It would be a lot higher than what I've listed here. But yeah, junior PM can expect to get around 250, and senior PMs bring home around 750 a year. Again, if you happen to have a great year, like some people have 10-20% gains in a year, a $4 billion fund, and if you'll be managing on 200 million, you could expect to get probably a couple of million pay packet as a senior portfolio manager. So I hope that gave you a bit more of an insight about salary structure, and hope that helps you in making decisions of where you want to work. See you in the next video.